What's up, guys? I am very excited for this video. It's going to be very important. We just got a news that at 7:39 a.m. CDT today that US added blowout 254K jobs in September. Unemployment rate dips to 4.1. I hope that's true. Okay, I hope that's true. But if you really want to look at the chart of unemployment, we can see that yes, we have gone down. That's the chart that is showing. I am not going to do a technical analysis on this because it's stupid to do, because it's just not based on chart or algorithm or any of that. But I hope that's true because we have a lot of people unemployed. But is it gonna go up slowly? That is a very possibility. Usually you have curves like this. We have had it many times before, okay, and we started going higher. So this kind of move, I do not think that we're gonna keep going down. We can go higher, and that's not gonna be good. Okay, I'm gonna also talk about XRP, Bonk, and Turbo. XRP just dropped the bomb. I'm gonna talk about XRP more, but Bonk and Turbo, I'm gonna also do technical analysis because you guys asked in the comment section, and that's what I'm gonna do. Go ahead and put your favorite altcoin in the comment section if you want me to cover it for our next video. So this is what I have showed you before it even happened. I said that there's a good chance that we get rejected. If you guys have been following me on Telegram, I have been putting screenshots. Yesterday we had a really good couple of trades, and I put the screenshots there. And I've been showing you guys with USDT and reminding you for new subscribers in this channel, when we go down for USDT, BTC goes up. Okay, you guys see that, and I have had this line for a very long time around this area. I said there's a good chance we can get support around anywhere from $59, $60, $60, $1,000. We can go back up, but this level is a very good resistance, and I'm going to talk about that more. Okay, so now if you want to get deeper into technical analysis for USDT and match it with BTC, you guys can see that the reason I said that there is a good chance that we get rejected around anything from this area from 5.88 to 5.92 was because of this wave that we had. So anywhere around this candle, we got rejected. These closed candles, I'm going to put it up in here. You guys can clearly see. I'm going to show you with a circle to just zoom better in there. Okay, you guys see that around this, we got that rejection. But now there's a good chance that anywhere from these red lines, okay, the first one that I'm looking at is this one, where we're literally back on top of it, and this red candle, the small body that it has, is gonna most likely reject USDT, which is gonna be bullish again for USDT. We might get even a little bit lower, down to 5.6% for USDT, and start going higher. I am not expecting a huge crash for USDT again. Okay, if you guys remember a long time ago, before we started, when we were around here, I said that there's a good chance that we're gonna get support and start going higher. And you guys see that how much we have rise since then for USDT, and that has crashed Bitcoin, and that was a perfect call. Okay, now I am having the same opinion around this area. I am expecting rejection, especially if you guys see this red line on the left side. Just follow my cursor. This red candle, this blue candle or green candle, I should say, this green candle. Where is it? This red candle and green candle, and also this green candle. So you see all those base drop. This level of support for USDT is very strong, very strong. Okay, so I would be very surprised that we keep going up. I would be totally surprised. We can say that maximum we can go up to maybe 262,700, maximum 800-ish, up to this level where we have this green candle and all these rejection areas for BTC. Okay, we can even start going lower from this, but it depends on how we're gonna close this 4-hour candle. This is a 4-hour chart. You guys see that if we close this green candle, which we have already opened it almost 1 hour and a half ago, it shows 10 a.m., but for my time is 11. So we have another 2.5 hours to go for this candle to be closed. Excuse me. So if I put back this line on top, right on top of it, you guys see that we got rejected one time, and we can get rejected one more time. So we don't have to go higher to almost 60 to 700, 800-ish to get rejected from higher. But anywhere around this area, guys, within 62,000 to 63,000 is a very strong rejection area, because I have been showing you guys with USDT, and every single move has been right. Not exactly to the dollar, but the range I'm giving you guys, this level of 0.5.858. Let me show you guys with the price label right here. This is a very, very, very strong support for USDT. And if we get that support, okay, we might still, as I'm repeating, we might still get that support from here and not even go lower to that area, okay? And this time, guys, I'm expecting to go back up a little bit higher than this wave. What we had was this wave, a little bit smaller, lower low, and it started going lower. So we can go back up, and we already touched this, failed one time, getting a little bit more support for USDT, and of course, getting a little bit of rejection for BTC, we can still go back down to this time to touch almost $300,000. Okay, so that is what you guys need to pay attention. None of these are financial advice, but you guys see that how I have been nailing every single one of the moves. Okay, so some of them are gonna be wrong. I'm still saying it, but so far we have not been saying anything wrong in this channel for a very long time. Okay, so we're gonna probably go back to this area, okay, and that's gonna be a huge pullback for Bitcoin, okay, because if you want to go to the daily, guys, so this is the daily, and as I said, no, this is not the daily, this is the daily, and you guys see that last time I called that because we had a crash very sharp to 49, we got bounced, and I said that there is a good chance that we start going lower as our third wave. As I gave you this example a long time ago, before, when we were around here, before we got that rejection from 65,000, which I called this again that we can get rejection because of this line, I said that we have had the 3 waves down every time. I'm gonna just keep this here. I'm gonna move this in here, almost same type of movement, not exactly to get like identical, but you guys see that, see 3 waves down, right? Now, and another one, this one was a bigger wave, okay? It kind of messed around way too much and for a long time until it went down, okay? And I said that we don't have to go for lower low this time. But as I'm still saying, there's a good chance that we close one of our weekly candle down to around $50,000. All right, so again, this looks like a W pattern so far. But you guys see that we have already lost it. What does it mean? That means that usually in a W pattern, we should have already gone above and had a pullback, healthy pullback on top of this line and start going higher. So this W pattern already got canceled. So we cannot really call this a W pattern anymore, okay? It would have happened as a W pattern as long as we did not start going back down, okay? But now, again, we have got a lot of rejections before, and we are back to that line. And as I have said, I'm expecting 3 waves down for this move, okay? That's why I have left this pattern that there's a good chance that we're gonna go down like this, okay? So we're gonna probably get that rejection for USDT and start going lower. And that's gonna bring back us down at least to, I would say, let's just not say too big of a move, but we can go back down to $58,500 or $59,000, okay? So that would be my next call for Bitcoin. None of these are financial advice, but anywhere around this white line, we can go a little bit higher. Around this level would be a really good rejection area. And what we do is we just don't look at BTC. USDT gives us that thumbs up, Okay, that's why I'm saying that there is a good chance that we get rejected around anywhere from $62,000 to $63,000 area, and that's gonna give that strength. Just look at charts, guys, as you as a kid when you were jumping. Okay, so when you get that strength from the ground, you jump higher. Then you get to the level that you get rejection and gravity brings you back, right? Then you come back down and then try to jump even higher. This is the same thing, literally. So buyers and sellers have certain levels that they get in and they get out. So you guys need to see, you need to find those levels, and you guys see that, and the charts from previous moves always shows you how we have been going up and down. And when you put these lines, it helps you that there is a good chance that we get that jump one more time. And this is what I'm looking at for USDT, and that's gonna work oppositely for Bitcoin. So there's a good chance. I'm not telling you to short or long or anything. I do not give signals at all to anybody, not even my members. I just give them what I think, because signals, you have to be like on top of it every single minute. Okay, that's why I would not really want to take that responsibility. Okay, so I just give them what I think, and you guys can do whatever you want. But this is what I'm looking at. $59,000 could be a good support area, but with the wars that have been going, guys, I have to tell you guys, the wars a long time ago, when I was still thinking that we're gonna go back down to $12,000, even around like $40,000, I said that we do not know if we're gonna have another war, and war usually is not good for anybody or any assets. You guys probably have heard a lot, which is not true. I do not really think that risky assets are going to be a safer place to put your money in, because people running these shows, these coins, these money gets in and out. And when you know that people get scared, they take out their money, they want to keep them as cash, so they want to control them easier. So you do not want to think that just because we're going to get into war, it's going to really pump Bitcoin. I would not think that. Usually, whenever we get a bad news about some type of war, Bitcoin crashes, and even the stock market. Okay, so still, I'm looking at BTC to go lower to get support around this level first. Okay, this level of support would be almost $58,000 to $59,000. I give it a $1,000 range. So it could be up and down many times, and try to go higher. After that, I'm gonna let you guys know. So that's why you need to subscribe right now, hit the notification button, and join the free Telegram group. Okay, we have got 26 members, guys. I have showed them my portfolio. I'm gonna keep updating them as I see the bottom has come for Bitcoin and altcoins. I have been looking at Total 3, and I will let you guys know once I see that Total 3 has bottomed as well. And BTC has topped, which I have showed you. 60% is the best area for rejection for BTC, and that's where I'm gonna expect altcoins to bottom and start going higher. Okay, now let's get into technical analysis for XRP, Bonk, and Turbo. Okay, look, guys, before this move even happened, right? I said that if and only if. Okay, I said that this yellow level has rejected XRP many times, and you guys see that perfectly get rejected it again. And with the bad news about XRP that they have appealed and they're gonna deal with them being sued for a long time, you guys see that we got that crash literally from almost 66% to 66 cents to 50 cents. Okay, but you guys see that this blue line has held it again. I have had all these lines, and you guys see that perfectly it is getting reactions to it. So there is a good chance now this got canceled already, so I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm sorry, but we just have to be unbiased and give you that, guys, my opinion that where I think any chart looks like. Right, so I am not happy that BTC is going down and my altcoins are going down as well, but it's okay. It's part of the deal, part of the crypto market, okay? So we need to hold for XRP around this level. This is a daily chart. I'm saying I hope, but this doesn't look good for XRP. You guys see that XRP has lost this level of support. If you want to put a line in here, it should have already supported XRP, this level. Even if we continue this line, you guys see that how many times we had rejections, and from top we had that movement. Most of the waves shaped up above this line, and most of the shapes started shaping from this from below, right? So this is not a good news for XRP, guys. I have to say this. We can still go back up, but there is a good chance that we go back down to even 44 cents. Okay, so that is a possibility. Keep that in mind. None of these are financial advice, but this white line that I have been showing you guys, there's another level of support for XRP. Okay, so let's go to Turbo. Okay, Turbo has rallied very strong, and that was very significant. Okay, but you guys see that it is kind of ranging. I'm not gonna bother putting lines in here because BTC, as long as it keeps going, and you guys see that perfectly, looks like literally looking like BTC's chart right now. Daily chart, BTC having like this a 1-2 wave, and Turbo having the same thing there. So there's a good chance that it gets rejected around this level and start going back down to 0.0038. So there is a good chance that this level of support would help Turbo to stay there. But you guys can see that it is almost the lowest point for Turbo for the support. And if it does lost it, guys, next level of support, I'm thinking that it's going to be 0.20027. Okay, because of this close candle, we can go sharp down and start going higher. But it all depends on BTC's move as well. Okay, but in general, Turbo is doing great. It has gone so much higher. So a lot of people have made a lot of money, and congratulations if you bought them around this area. Not in here. I wouldn't really buy anything above, as I said, above 30-40 million dollars market cap, because I'm not really looking for 3, 4, 5, 6x's or maximum 10x's. I'm looking for bigger ones, and I have explained in my previous video how I bring that logic. Okay, Bonk is almost the same look that it has. Okay, it's like same as Turbo. You see that it has gone down, it is pulling back, and there's a good chance that it's gonna go lower to this level. This is a daily chart, so if you want to zoom in, same deal for Bonk as well. This level of support is a very good support, so we can slightly go back down to retouch, down to almost 0.40 and 186. Okay, that will be a good area to expect support, but as I said, we need to follow BTC, and if we lose that, guys, there's a good chance that we go back down to this level. Okay, a little bit lower, and that's going to be 1.5 for Bonk. It is so far showing a lot of strength. These two meme coins are showing a lot of strength because of their community, and that is very powerful, and I hope that is going to keep going up, and once we bottom for BTC, it's going to be a good 2-3x project at least. But I wouldn't buy it. I'm not buying it, and I'm not saying that you should buy it, okay? But this is just my own personal opinion. Okay, so I will update you guys with more technical analysis. So far, this 4-hour chart is getting rejected around that white line, around 62,300, 6,200. $62,000. I'm sorry, $62,000 or 62,300 ish, and that is a very good edge rejection area. And we already covered with USDT how we can still go down. Go ahead and subscribe. Please hit the like button right now. I need your likes to show this video with YouTube algorithm to more people. I am out of control for this. I need you guys to like this video. Thank you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, subscribe, share this video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.